Alright guys, we're going to do a quick video just to walk around. Obviously new wheels. These are the super stock wheels that are fully polished. Hopefully our weather will stay with us, man. I've had these wheels on here for about a month now, and can't keep the car clean enough to make a video for you guys. So we're going to run through it. We got the gloss black grille. We have the Infinite Auto Works 3-piece carbon front lip. That is PPF'd. Still not 100% perfect, but it's all good. The super wheels, absolutely amazing, by the way. 255/35s in the front, 275/35 in the rear, and then this is with a 13 mil spacer. Let me know if you guys think I should go down to 10. It's a little poke for sure. I mean, the top of the fender, it looks great, but as you come down, it's a little aggressive. So I'm not completely sold on the front. Rear, no spacers, perfect. Infinite Auto Works M style carbon mirror caps. Infinite Auto Works full length carbon side skirts. Here's the rear wheels, as you can see. I mean, perfect. Absolutely perfect. And I have the Tommy, I think it's Tommy Garage, TLG Garage mud flaps front and rear. Infinite Auto Works side splitters, and the vent shroud, which is separate from the rear diffuser. So there's the gloss black rear diffuser with the carbon center piece. Blacked out badge, M4 style carbon splitter, or spoiler, sorry. Also carbon antenna cover, also from Infinite Auto Works. Starting to sprinkle a little bit here, but bear with me. Just exhaust tips from Infinite Auto. Those are fixing to go away. Got a full exhaust coming, which will probably be the next video after this. But I mean, that's really it for exterior mods. I have Infinite Auto Works' cold air intake as well, but she is dialed. I wanted to lower her, but I don't know, man. The roads around here are crap. I've already busted an oil cooler, busted the front splitter once and replaced it, so I may just hold off on the lowering. Inside, just got some carbon goodies and then a steering wheel. So as you guys seen from the last video, or a few videos ago, I did the full steering wheel with the trim. Just some carbon fiber interior bits. That's pretty much about it. I mean, very simple, quick walkthrough for you guys. Like I said, full exhaust is coming up. That should be our next video. And then I'm going to also send my ECU off for MHD. Well, I'm going to send it off to get unlocked, and then I'm going to run MHD. But I mean, this is her with the new wheels. This is how she currently sits. Again, let me know what you guys think on the front. I think the rear, I mean, look at that. Rear is beautiful, perfect. Wheels are sexy. I had a company that polished these out. They did a full paint strip and a polish with a clear coat, and then I ceramic coated them once I got them back, man. And I think they turned out amazing. Full inner barrel as well. Back to that front fitment. It's a little aggressive. See a little bit of poke, but it's a 13 now. If I go into a 10, I'm curious or scared it maybe sunk too much. But I mean, absolutely beautiful. So let me know what you guys think on the spacers for the front wheel, the car in general. Any other videos maybe you guys recommended, or mods that you may recommend. Because right now I think it's just tuning. I'm gonna go MHD and then like the full exhaust, like I said. Really, I don't think there's too much else I have planned at the moment. Maybe like some more interior ambient lighting, like the cup holders and the center console trim. But that's her, guys. Let me know what y'all think.